Okay, I haven't made a video about distributive property or using the box method in order to try and expand this equation in factored form, or excuse me, this expression in factored form, to look more like this expression in standard form. Okay, so, but what I would like to do is show you how the box method works to distribute these terms so that it expands it into standard form. Okay, and then how that works backwards. Now, this may be complicated. You may have to watch this a couple times to kind of get the idea. So pause this or do whatever you have to try to get the idea. And if you have more questions, please come see me in class. All right. So the idea here is that we want to multiply everything by everything. We want to multiply this term by both of these terms. Alright, so essentially we're distributing this x and multiplying it by this x and this minus 7 or negative 7. And also we want to distribute this 3 to x and negative 7. So there's an organized way you can do this, and all of the videos you'll see online are just a lot of different ways to organize this information and keep track of all these little details. Okay? This is one of the methods that that's been expressed we should use. So I'm introducing that at the time. So what you do is you draw your box. Alright, once you draw your box, you're going to break up the terms in each of these factors. So let's say x plus 3. We're going to break that up. So we have the first term, x, and the second term, plus 3. Then we're going to break up the terms in this factor on this left side. So we have x, and then minus 7. So what does this help us do? Well, this helps us keep track and make sure that we multiply each of these terms by both of these terms. Okay, so x times x will give me x squared. Okay, multiplying a number times itself, you just increase the exponential value. X times negative 7 gives me negative 7x. Alright, moving on, we got 3. 3 times x gives me 3x, and 3 times negative 7 gives me negative 21. Well, now that we've multiplied everything, we need to add everything in all these boxes. Okay? So we're going to add x squared plus 3x minus 7x minus 21. And then you also simplify this by combining your like terms. 3x minus 7x. Those are the only two like terms because they have the same variable with the same exponential power. X squared does not have a like term in this expression, so we're going to just carry that down. 3x minus 7x is negative 4x, or minus 4x. And then minus 21 also has no like term. So this is the expression that we want. So we went from factored form to standard form. Alright, factored form to standard form. Alright, and this form, both of these forms are very important. This tells us a lot of key information about what the graph will look like, what solutions will be, and solutions can be very important information when using these graphs in professional settings. Standard form is also important. It's easier to create a table of values to be able to manually graph these equations. So you go into from factor form to standard form is important, as well as going from standard form to factor form. Okay, so just remember here what we did was we created a box. All right, and then second thing you did, you broke up your terms around your box. And then you made sure you multiplied each of the terms around the box. Okay. And then lastly, add all the terms inside the box. Okay? And I guess last is just simplify it and combine like terms. You could write that. Simplify. Okay? And that should give you an idea of how to do the box method. Alright?